Importance of jurisprudence. In Latin, juris means legal and prudentia means knowledge. The subject of jurisprudence is not only concerned with what is law, but also with why should we have law in the society. The theoretical nature of law is understood through jurisprudence. There is no exact, concise, perfect, or precise definition of the term law. In jurisprudence, we study the various perspectives from which the term law and the various concepts that are part of law are looked upon by the eminent jurists. Jurisprudence deals with the abstract and general nature of law. Thus, jurisprudence is a vital aspect of legal study. Do subscribe this channel to learn more about law, and also do check the description link to understand law in simple and easy way.